Good Friday morning, Facebook. Hope you have a great week so far. We are just crack-a-lacking. We've had a really hot week, so it's been pretty sweaty, but we've gotten a lot done this week. We're excited for the weekend to come, though. We are definitely needing it this week. We put in some hours. So I've been doing a lot of the how does it work stuff for our plumbing stuff, and I'm going to continue to do this on appliances and such. But this one that we're going to do today is something that I've had a couple customers ask me about. A lot of them have noticed that there's a little tank hanging up on the water line next to their water heater. And so there's been a few questions of what is it and how does it work? So today that's what we're going to dive into. So stay tuned here. We're going to flip around real quick and show you exactly what we're talking about. So this is called an expansion tank. Alright, and this is a safety device. It's put on boilers and two water heaters on the cold water line system. And it's for just what it says, thermal expansion. So let's go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like. That's basically it right there. The way this works is in a hot water heater, it's a safety device for a water heater. So basically, when a regular tank water heater is taking place with heat, it creates steam and pressure